We on?
Okay, we are on.
eBay crap.
Alright, my favorite day of the week.
I know what this is. This is not very well packed. Box. Kind of loose in there. Oh, I got some more camera bags.
Alright.
Yeah, I got 3 more camera bags. Alright.
I like those.
See, loose cardboard is not what you do. You tape the cardboard to the cylinder, not just throw it all in there loose.
Mm.
And then looks like he's got some airbags in there, which really don't do much for cylinders when you. Cylinders are heavy, sharp edge. So this stuff here is nice, but tape it to the cylinder. Maybe a head on this thing. Something else down there. Oh, yeah, it's got a head down there. See, it was jammed into the engine case. That's a trooper.
Look at that.
No damage at all there, huh? Okay, yeah. So you don't put your cylinder inside your case when you ship them because that usually does damage to both pieces. But I guess it goes in there like that. Yeah, something like that.
Perfect fit.
Yeah, Alright, so it says it's 32 thousandths over. It's a 45 flathead cylinder. A couple of freshly broken fins. See, that's why it's got new rust on it. It's, the seats were sunk a little bit. They're not super heavy, but they've been cut different than stock, so they look a lot worse than they probably are, but they're down a little bit. It's a sharp edge here. There's no thing here. I think they're way more than 32 thousandths over. So, oh, it's been relieved. Oh, there's what the problem is. It's been butchered. See all the relieving in there?
Yeah.
That's why it's so sharp. Yeah, that's going to be a real quality piece there. I know I didn't pay much for it, but the shipping costs as much as cylinder did. And it's a front one, so it's not like it's really important. Yeah, it's 30 over. 2.8. What they put down? 32. Yep, it's 32 over. Of course, it's full of rust.
Sure is. So what's the point of cutting that relief there?
Lowers the compression down, makes it run like crap.
Oh.
It's supposed to make it run better though. But compression is more important than flow on a flathead. So you ain't gonna rev this high enough to make it matter. So oh well. It's got those nice broken fins on there too, which is always really a real winner. So there you go. Where's the rest of the pile? Do we have any more to match this?
Probably.
Let's see, we got 70, we got 10, that's the front though. We got rear, that's a rear 70. That'll match it. I don't know what that one is. How big is that one? It's a number 46, that's a good one. And if that don't work, we'll find there's some more floating around here. Yeah, we're just gonna go like this. Yeah.
Add it to the pile.
Add it to the pile. Alright.